This is a look at a rare VIP helicopter flight over Pyongyang, the capital of North Korea.
To earn more foreign currency, the DPRK offers helicopter tours over Pyongyang starting from the international airport.
Traffic was virtually non-existent on the road to the airport and passed by several monuments to the Kims, who have ruled North Korea since the Second World War.
Except for our small group of 10 people, the airport was completely deserted. We made the sightseeing flight in an old Soviet-era Mi-17 helicopter.
The Mi-17 is a Soviet-designed military helicopter introduced in 1965, with production continuing to the present time. Surprisingly, our helicopter was kitted out as a VIP transport for North Korea's rulers.
Pyongyang is a city of some 3.5 million people, which is being rapidly transformed into a futuristic-looking showcase city with the patina of prosperity. With its new construction and monumental buildings, the city is the ultimate totalitarian metropolis. It was built mostly from scratch following its destruction in the Korean War. As we could clearly see from the helicopter, Pyongyang is a city of high-rises, so elevators are important for occupants. We were told that the DPRK policy on elevator service in residential buildings is to have no elevators for buildings less than 10 stories, 1 elevator for buildings between 10 and 20 stories, and 2 elevators for buildings over 20 stories. This policy makes living in high-rises a challenge. The brand new Science and Technology Center that was opened in 2015. This ominous atom-shaped building was astonishingly built in about a year.
Arriving back at Pyongyang Airport, we could see a wide assortment of Soviet-built aircraft, including the large Ilyushin IL-76 strategic airlifter that is widely used around the globe, both by military and civilian users. This rare flight over Pyongyang was an excellent opportunity to overview this futuristic-looking showcase city, which is the capital of North Korea. If you enjoyed this film, please subscribe and like. There are many more similar films available on my channel.